Hi friends, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Winter is finally here. I know we've been saying winter is coming, winter is coming, winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
And winter is coming.
Winter is coming. Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
But now winter is finally here, and I know you can tell by my excitement how much I love this season. It's literally snowing outside since last night, and I absolutely love how beautiful everything looks outside. Now, I'm a big believer in skincare. You really need to take care of your skin, because your makeup is not going to look as good as you want if you don't take care of your skin. I mean, if the canvas is not right, even if the biggest artist in the world tries to make a painting out of it, it's not gonna look good. So you need a good canvas, a good base, good skin to look good, to feel good, you know. So I have a big list of things to talk about. So quickly take your notepads out, take a pen, grab a friend, grab some snacks, and let's get on with this video. Alright, so let's start with the first thing that you do every single morning, and that is taking a shower. Now, I know how tempting it can be to turn that temperature to the highest setting possible to take a nice hot shower every single morning, especially on a winter morning. But you know what? Taking showers with really hot water can actually strip off all the natural oil that your body produces. That leaves your skin feeling really dry. So just turn that knob a little lower to like a warmer setting and take bath with some warm water. You'll really thank me for some good skin later on. And always remember, never in a million years to wash your face with hot water, because that's the most damaging thing you can ever do to your face. The next thing I'm going to talk about is using facial cleansers. Now, if you're someone like me who likes to wash your face every single day, which you should, change up your cleansers, you know, use a hydrating cleanser. If you're using a cleanser which has salicylic acid, remember that it can not only clean up your face but also dry out your skin, and especially in winter you want to avoid that. So change up your cleanser for something that is more hydrating. And throughout this video I will either mention products that I like to use if I don't have them on hand right here, or I will show them to you. For my cleansers, I'm actually using Equate's hydrating cleanser, and I'll pop it on the screen right here. And you really want to stay away from products that dry out your skin further, especially in the winter. I know salicylic acid can be really good in, like, you know, taking care of your zits and pimples and all of that, and cleaning your skin, but steer clear of that because it can not only clean but dry out your skin. So switch your cleanser to one that's going to hydrate your skin instead of drying you out. Now, I cannot emphasize how important it is to keep your skin moisturized during winter, because it takes seconds basically to dry your skin out. So what I like to do is, right after I'm out of the shower, I like to put on a robe so that my skin still retains some moisture, and I like to work with my face first. So the first thing that I do is I use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel if it's in the daytime. If I'm taking a shower in the night time, I'll straight away go to my night cream, which is my L'Oreal Revitalist cream, and I slather my face and neck and some of my chest and décolleté area. You don't want to forget your neck and chest, because, you know, if you're aging, you want to age evenly, right? And then I like to use an eye repair cream, and I like to use my CeraVe eye repair cream. And it's always best to apply this using your ring fingers, because you don't want to apply too much pressure on your under eye, because that's like the most delicate skin on your face. So you want to be really gentle, don't like press and pat. So once I'm done taking care of my face, I like to move on to my body. So throughout the year, I like to use the hydrating, moisturizing body lotions, but especially during the winter, I switch my body lotions to a body gel oil. And nowadays I've been using the Vaseline body gel oil. Why I like to use oil-based products instead of like water-based products is because temperatures are so low and it really dries out your skin. If you use a water-based product, it's going to evaporate quicker than an oil-based product, you know, if that makes sense. So I like to use an oil-based product because it really sinks deep in my skin, and even when it's dry, you know, the heat is going on in the house, even when it's that dry, the oil doesn't evaporate as fast as water would. So it really takes time to sink in my skin, and, you know, really introduces that moisture that I really need. And after I do that, even when I'm out of the shower, done with all my moisturizer and everything, I still like to put on the robe and sit for some time instead of, like, you know, changing up my clothes, because it really helps the moisturizers and the body gel oils to really sink in my skin, and I know I can make sure that my skin is deeply hydrated. And don't forget the lips. You want to apply like a lip balm, a lip oil, a lip treatment, or something like that. So what I like to use is actually Burt's Bees Pomegranate Moisturizing Lip Balm, and I use this throughout the day. I have so many lip balms everywhere, in my office purse, at my office office desk, on my nightstand, my kitchen, everywhere. It's just everywhere because during the winter, when the heat is on in the house, everything's like drying up my face, my skin, my lips. I really want to make sure I've nicely moisturized and hydrated every inch of my body basically. So if I have to tell you to do one thing during winter, it is to moisturize your entire body thoroughly. Okay, so the next thing that I basically like to do throughout the year, but more often during winters, is actually using face masks. I use face masks every like 2 to 3 days. So I like to use any kind of face mask, brightening, hydrating, moisturizing, whatever face mask I can lay my hands on, I have to use that because I feel like I really need to introduce extra moisture even though I do 10 other steps. You know, I am crazy like that, but that's what I like to do. These days I'm also trying out a sleep mask. So I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and it's for glowing radiance and softening your skin. This smells so delicious. I love watermelon, and if you love watermelon, you really have to try this out by Glow Recipe. So what I did is last night I was actually trying this out, and I had a dry patch right here, and I really wanted to see if that sleeping mask will help me get rid of that, and it actually did. And when I woke up in the morning, I touched my face and really felt like really supple and hydrated. I did not use a night cream yesterday because I was using a sleep mask. It's not completely gone, but it's work in progress. Long story short, make sure you use tons of face masks throughout the winter to just, you know, sometimes give your skin that boost of required moisture. Alright, so the next thing is exfoliating. Now you might wonder, why exfoliate your skin when your skin is going to be dry anyway? But the point is, when your skin gets dried up during winter and when you exfoliate, you're actually taking off all the dead skin and dead matter off of your skin. So then when you hydrate your skin, you know that that hydrating product is going to penetrate even deeper, giving you more levels of hydration, if that makes sense. You know, so make sure you really exfoliate your skin. I basically try to exfoliate my skin maybe twice a week, so that way I really make sure I'm getting rid of all this dead skin cells and, you know, yucky gunk on my skin. And then when I apply my moisturizer and my hydrating products, it really sinks deep in my skin and I get that more deeper level of hydration. So the next thing that I had on my list here is overnight moisturization, and I feel like I already touched on this topic before, where I like to use night creams. And why I love using night creams is because when you use day creams like my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, is you go out in the sun, you're out and about, you're getting in contact with pollution and things like that. In the night when you're sleeping and you use a night cream, you're not getting disturbed, you're going straight to bed. Your skin really has time to repair itself, and I feel like that's why you need enough sleep as well. And when you sleep, that's the time your body really heals itself, repairs itself. No one's disturbing you, no one's talking to you, you're not going out in the pollution, you're not exposing your skin to anything, you know. So it's really important to give your skin what it needs. So if you give your skin more moisture in terms of like night creams, it'll use that and repair your skin overnight. And trust me, I do this every single night without fail. I have to apply my lip balm, I have to apply my eye cream, I have to apply my night cream before I go to bed. I have made it a habit, I have made it a point to use this every single day because, you know, no one's getting younger here, and you need to start your anti-aging process before you start aging. I hope that makes sense. You know, you have to give your skin some time, you have to give your body some time. Nothing's going to happen overnight, but if you take care of a few steps, your skin will end up looking great, and that would in turn boost your confidence. I feel it does to me, and I feel like it will do to you guys as well. Oh, the next thing is probably my favorite thing. I love using a humidifier. Now, especially in the States, I never felt the need to use a humidifier when I was in India because the place that I lived in was humid as hell. So I never needed humidity in my life, you know, extra humidity in my life. When I moved here, we have air conditioning and heaters going on all around the year, especially during winters. If I don't have a heater on for even a night, I know I'm going to break out. So you need to give your skin that moisture in the air. You're breathing, right? When you sleep, you're breathing, you're taking in that moisture. So that's in turn going to help you. You know, it's going to help your skin become better over time. So make sure you use a humidifier. I cannot sleep without a humidifier now. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is feet. If you're grossed out by feet, I suggest you forward this video, but if you're not, stay with me. Now, I'm one of those people who are blessed with the worst possible feet ever, so I really have to make an effort to make my feet looking good, right? So what I like to do is I like to use this Gold Bond foot cream, and I have really noticed a difference when I started using this cream. So before going to bed every night, I apply this on my feet, like really slather it, and then I like to put on some fuzzy, cozy winter socks. And I've really noticed a difference since I started doing that. I've been doing that for about a month and a half now, and my feet are so silky smooth, so nice to touch, no cracks, no bumps, no nothing. And even though they're not to their like perfection yet, I feel like they're good enough for me, because I've seen my feet in some really bad conditions. I'm really happy with how they are right now. Oh, the next thing is hand cream. Along with your foot, your body, your face, your neck, and all of that, you also want to take care of your hands. Now, I am one of those people again who are blessed with hands that like to peel if they're not provided with moisture. So I had started seeing my, cuticles or whatever this area is called around my nails. They were really like peeling off. They were really dry, not in a good condition. So I really had to go out and get a good hand cream. So I got the hand cream from the same brand, Gold Bond. I started using that, and it's such an amazing hand cream. Even if you wash your hands with soap, that hand cream is not going off. Now don't get me wrong, the hand cream doesn't stay on your hand forever. Like, it does absorb really fast in your skin, but it still leaves that like moisturizing, silky feel to your hands. I really love it. Have been using for months, and I've absolutely noticed a big difference. Okay, so the next tip is really unusual, and I've recently started doing this, but it works, So what I like to do is right after I'm done with my shower and before I wipe myself down, I like to take a mug and I like to fill it with warm water, and then I add a few drops of essential oil. So it can be eucalyptus, lavender, tea tree, anything, lemongrass, anything of your choice, and I like to just mix it up, and I like to splash it all over my body. So what happens is it just leaves a little bit of moisture in the form of like oil droplets on your skin, because like I said earlier, water will dry out faster than oil, right? So it just leaves like a layer of added moisture right after you take a shower, and I feel like it helps a little bit. I haven't been able to see a massive difference because I do go in with some crazy ass moisturizing sessions after that, but just a tip to try out. I cannot emphasize how important again it is to take care of your scalp during winter. And if you're one of those people who hates oil, I don't know what to tell you, man. I love oil massages, and when I was in school, my mom used to give me and my sister some amazing hot oil scalp massages, and I miss that so much. So nowadays what I like to do is almost every week, I do this almost every week, I take a mixture of coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil in like a small container, and I microwave it for 15 seconds, so it's like a little warm, and then I like to take a little bit of it and apply it throughout my scalp, because along with your skin, your scalp also dries out during winter, so you want to add moisture to that. And what better way to add moisture than applying oil, right? So I like to do a nice warm oil massage almost every week, give my scalp that extra added moisture, because if you've noticed, especially during winter, your hair starts falling off, and that's because your scalp gets dry, your hair follicles can't really hold your hair, they're not strong enough, and your hair starts falling off. So you really also want to take care of your scalp, so just go ahead and do those nice hot oil scalp massages. Okay, now this is something I am guilty of, because my hair has always been this like frizzy mess. Like if I don't flat iron my hair or curl my hair or do something about it, I'm gonna look like a lion with like big fuzzy hair. So this tip says to avoid heat tools. Now I agree to that, but I don't think I can follow with that. I mean, I do take care of my hair with some hot oil massages, but I don't think I can like stay away from heat styling my hair. But if you can, that's one tip for you, because using heat tools will further dry out your hair, so you might want to stay away from that. But for me personally, this tip is not gonna work. Okay, now that we've talked about taking care of your body from the outside, let's talk about taking care of your body from the inside. My number one tip for you is to drink lots and lots of water. It is very, very important that you drink plenty of water throughout the day, irrespective of the season, because water is really a natural source of introducing moisture in your life. And if you are experiencing like dry chapped lips or dry skin, dry scalp, whatever, make sure you're drinking plenty of water, because if you drink plenty of water, all the skin follicles in your body, all the cells in your body are rejuvenated. They have so much hydration and moisture. They really want to do their work, of keeping your body sane and fit and healthy and really supple and glowing. You need water. I drink about 1.5 gallons water every day, because I know, and I've noticed this, that on days when I don't drink enough water, my skin starts to feel dry, my lips start getting chapped, and everything's going downhill. So make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the year, irrespective of the weather. So what are the other ways you can introduce moisture and hydration in your body? By eating fruits that are in season. Foods like watermelons, oranges, celery, tomato, cucumbers. I have all of them listed here because I did do a lot of research for this video. So you can take my word for it. So all of these fruits and vegetables are amazing for you during winter. Now, not just that, you also need some good fatty acids to, keep those muscles going, to keep those cells working. So the good fatty acids can be found in fish. I love fish. I'm gonna have some fish in lunch today. Why leave nuts out? Almonds, cashews, walnuts, all of these nuts are amazing for you. So you make sure you have those. They give you amazing source of good fatty acids. Extra foods I can add in are apples, oranges, dates. Oh my god, I love dates. Berries, love that too. And pomegranate. Too much effort, but if you can, why not? So give your body the fuel that it needs. Give your body the water that it needs, and that's how it's going to make you feel good, look good, fit, healthy, and all of that. And lastly, cover yourself up. I'm not talking about a middle-aged lady who looks at little girls and who are wearing like skirts and shorts and spaghetti tops. I'm not talking like her who grabs every moment she can tell you to cover yourself up. I'm actually talking about wearing hats, jackets, scarves, gloves, socks, everything you can do in your power to put a barrier between you and that harsh elements of nature. Cover yourself up when you go out. Wear sunblock. Some people might think that sunblock is necessary only during summers when you go out. No. The sun is there out even during winters. The UV rays are out even during winter. So you need to use sunscreen when you go out. Again, irrespective of the weather. So wear proper clothes, dress for the season, take care of your skin, drink plenty of water, plenty of good food, moisturize, hydrate, do masks, take care of yourself, relax. Age is gonna come. Your skin is gonna age. You are gonna age. But why not age gracefully if you have that option to? And these are all my tips for the winter, my friends. I hope these were helpful to you. I put in a lot of love and effort and time in coming up with all of these things for you, and I hope these helped you out. If you like this video and if you like me ramble about how to take care of yourself during winter, please give this video a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I hope you're having a good holiday season. Enjoy with your family. Be grateful for all that you have, and on that note, take good care of yourselves, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.